Hey there, Justin from Moxie Van Co. Here to show you guys today this truck camper, dirt box truck camper that we installed on this customer's F250. This is the Genesis model. It fits the F250 and F350 line. It's a premium level truck camper. It's pretty neat, it's pretty huge and massive. A lot of functionality to it, it's pretty awesome. We're gonna check it out even more now that we got it installed, and it does all kinds of tricks. Here you are with the Genesis dirt box camper opened up with the rooftop tent. It's got the side access doors on both sides. It's got lots of built-in features. You can customize it to how you like. Molly panels. It's got a box built into the other side. You can do electrical. You can do water systems. It's got a back shade. It's got a fold-down ladder. Pretty neat. It does all kinds of things.